Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit is an American heavy strategic bomber featuring low observable stealth technology designed for penetrating dense anti-aircraft defenses. Designed during the Cold War as the world's first low observable or stealth strategic bomber, the B-2 Spirit harkens back to the designs of revolutionary engineer Jack Northrop. His flying wing design first debuted in 1949 as the IB-49, but was not adopted by the Air Force at the time. The bomber represents a major milestone in the U.S. bomber modernization program and brings massive firepower to bear anywhere on the globe through previously impenetrable defenses. The B-2 provides the penetrating flexibility and effectiveness inherent in manned bombers. Its low observable characteristics give it the unique ability to penetrate an enemy's most sophisticated defenses and threaten its most valued and heavily defended targets. Its capability to penetrate air defenses and threaten effective retaliation provides a strong effective deterrent and combat force well into the 21st century. The bomber is subsonic and can deploy both conventional and thermonuclear weapons, such as up to 8,500-pound class of Mk-82 JDAM GPS-guided bombs or 16 2,400-pound B-83 nuclear bombs. The B-2 is the only acknowledged aircraft that can carry large air-to-surface standoff weapons in a stealth configuration. The revolutionary blending of low observable technologies with high aerodynamic efficiency and large payload gives the B-2 important advantages over existing bombers. Its low observability provides it greater freedom of action at high altitudes, thus increasing its range and a better field of view for the aircraft sensors. Its unrefueled range is approximately 6,000 nautical miles. At cruising altitude, the B-2 refuels every 6 hours, taking on up to 50 short tons of fuel at a time. It has a maximum speed of 630 miles per hour and a cruising speed of 580 miles per hour. The first B-2 was publicly displayed on November 22, 1988, when it was rolled out of its hangar at Air Force Plant 42 in Palmdale. It had its first flight on July 17, 1989. The B-2 Combined Test Force, Air Force Flight Test Center, Edwards Air Force Base, is responsible for flight testing, the engineering, manufacturing and development aircraft on the B-2. It demonstrated its capabilities in support of Operation Enduring Freedom. The B-2 flew one of its longest missions to date from Whiteman to Afghanistan and back. The B-2 completed its first ever combat deployment in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom, flying 22 sorties from a forward operating location as well as 27 sorties from Whiteman AFP and releasing more than 1.5 million pounds of munitions.